What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I posted, but I got a little something fun for you. We're here at Dig Garage and got a drive shaft. That slide out the way here. Snapped off. Looks like the U-joint has been bad for a while. This is a F350. Not too sure what year. See that? Yeah. So it needs a new. It's a yoke. We need a new yoke, new drive shaft. Pull the drive shaft out of here. Breaking these bolts free now. It's held up with a rope. You got some burning power wires. Looks like a new transfer case on it. I wonder what else caused this thing to blow. So I grabbed. You guys aren't gonna believe this. I just grabbed the yoke. The output shaft of the transfer case, and I got a couple ups and downs on it. Y'all see that? This shit is broken, split open. Look at that crack. Boom, split that shit. Holy crap, man. Look at that.